People are getting millions of views with 3D AI documentary videos. And today I'll show you exactly how to create them, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. In this video, I'll show you the tools, the process, and every step you need to make viral 3D AI documentary videos. The first thing we need is a script. Use the first prompt from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. This will give you trending documentary ideas. Choose one you like. Now copy the second prompt from the description and paste it into ChatGPT with your chosen topic. This will generate a strong documentary script for your video. Our script is ready. Next, copy the third prompt from the description and paste it into ChatGPT. This will create detailed scene-to-scene visual prompts for your documentary. Now it's time for the voiceover. Copy your script, go to 11 Labs, choose a documentary-style voice, generate, and download. Now we'll create our visuals. Copy scene 1 prompt, go to Grok AI, open Imagine, select video, choose your aspect ratio, hit generate. Within seconds, it creates realistic cinematic visuals. Repeat the same for every scene. Open your editing software and import all generated visuals. Your AI voiceover match visuals to narration, adjust clips, and add background music to make it cinematic.
In the heart of Cold War Europe, the Berlin Wall rose overnight in 1961, dividing a city, separating families,
And that's how you create viral 3D AI documentary videos using AI. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Reavron.